Welcome back to limited edition motorcars, ladies and gentlemen, and this has replaced my 2011 Crown Vic. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you watched some of my previous videos, you know I sold my 2011 Crown Vic. That was my daily driver for a few years, and it was my beloved car, but I needed something bigger because we always are moving parts and there's always some stuff that we need a truck for. So this is a replacement. So let me show you around real quick. This is 2019 Chevy Tahoe PPV, a police pursuit vehicle, and I don't know if you can figure out by watching all the videos of my daily drivers. I have an obsession with silver cars for some reason, so they end up with the silver vehicles. But I wanted a truck, and I didn't want to spend too much money, and I wanted a sort of a real truck, not one of those hybrid, whatever you call those, car-based SUVs. So this is a, sort of an old school truck, body on frame, V8, rear-wheel drive, blah, blah, blah. I bought it with about 23,000 miles on it, so it's in fairly good shape. I don't know why the police department got rid of it so soon, but they did, so I snatched it. And it's in good shape. I just, when I got it, I took all the wiring, all the police crap that was in here, I took it all out. And this is it's a two-wheel drive version, so it doesn't have, it's not four-wheel drive, but who really cares? I don't need four-wheel drive. I don't really go anywhere, but I just needed the room in the back, and I wanted cloth seats. I don't need all that leather, all that luxury stuff. It's really useless to me, but it does have some creature comforts, which is pretty cool. It does have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, all that jazz, so you can hook up your phone. It's a pretty cool truck. I really like it, and I really like the fact that it seats 6 people. Well, technically you can seat, open the door, I guess 9 if you have the back row, but the back row, the third row is missing in this truck, so you can add it, but yeah, there's a space for it over there. But the cool thing about this truck was that there are no holes. Again, I try to look for cars that have no holes drilled in them, no holes anywhere on the outside. I like the Steelies, love the Steelies. It gives it a more aggressive look, and I kind of kept this thing in here. I don't know, maybe I'll take it off, maybe I won't. But it comes useful. You can push people around, especially in South Florida. I did a little bit of work to it, did some servicing, some minor stuff. It's a new truck, so it doesn't really need that much. I did PPF on the front clip, just as you can see here. I did screen protectors, whatever you call that, on the outside of the windshield. I tinted the front windows on the windshield, so it looks a little bit more uniform. Put some new tires on it, stuff like that, like basic stuff, nothing crazy. But I have to be honest with you guys that I actually missed the Crown Vic. The Crown Vic was a much better driving car and much better riding car. Even though it was a police interceptor, I mean, the civilian Crown Vics are just like, just riding on a cloud. The police interceptor is a little bit rougher because the suspension is a little bit stiffer, but this, this is, it's like riding on a park bench, because I guess they had to stiffen up the suspension for police use. Otherwise, they're going to be rolling these things over right and left, and it's lowered, and it's riding on Steelies, and these police tires are not really it's not the best ride in the world. It feels like one of those like track cars. It's a very stiff ride. Everything's shaking and vibrating. It's not a very smooth ride. But it's a truck that I needed, and it's a truck that I got. So better than one of those Honda CR-V type SUVs, right? The SUV that they call whatever that crap is, But yeah, that's my Crown Victoria replacement. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Thanks for watching. Peace.